I think, more than all, by the way, I think this customer's been done dirty, right? I'm going to show you why. I'm going to talk you through it. So, customer has presented this vehicle with parking aid not working. Now, let me just flick the screen on, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. That comes up straight away, manoeuvre braking unavailable. And if we pop it on the screen, so let me just make sure no radio plays, we'll get told off for that. So we put it on the screen, stick it in reverse. You've got nothing going on there, nothing going on there, which suggests it's not a dead parking sensor, because that'll highlight an issue. That's just saying the system's had a brain fart or shit itself, and that's what's going wrong. So we could delve into that, we could read the faults and all that, which you do, just to give you a path. Everything needs a path, guys. Just as a little side note, when you run a guided or a diagnostic scan, the fault code that comes up, it may come up with a sensor or something like that, it's not always the fault. So you need to check things. Don't just firing up the parts cannon, and this is what I'm going to try and highlight nowadays. All right, so fault code was front park aid buzzer open circuit. So open circuit to me is a good indication that something's either unplugged or a bust wire. Can have failed control modules internally that can bring up an open circuit, but as you can see, the car's on very, very low miles. Right, it's a fleet car. It's all going to add up in a second. So the buzzer is in the dash. It's dead easy to get to. It's around the body control. So just behind this panel in the T-cross is where that is. So we'll take the keys out because we don't want to set out off, do we? So behind this panel is where the buzzer is. I'm going to show you now what's going off. So with my fault code open circuit, you take the end panel off and you have a look, right? And what I found was this is just stuck here for training and monitoring purposes, right? So this has had a tracker fitted, and that was just dangling, just down there, dangling, right? So essentially, I know someone's been in this here. Okay, now what's gone off here is, if I get you into this hole, see that gap there, point the light, so that gap just there, that's where the buzzer sits. There is no buzzer, so whatever's gone on there, it's obviously been apart at some point while that tracker fitted, and the buzzer's gone missing. Now I know the buzzer's gone missing because there's the plug for it, just chilling. Yeah, that's as simple as that. So I have had a look for the buzzer in the vehicle, and obviously whoever wired the parking sensor, the tracker in, has ate it or robbed it or whatever. Either way, it ain't there. It needs to be there to complete the system. So obviously I'm going to show the findings to the customer, let them know that actually should be there. If they want to get in contact with whoever fitted it, that's up to them. But what it needs essentially is that buzzer and it plugging in. So there's no damage to the wires or like that, guys. It was just literally the other side of that hole just hanging down. So never discount anything, but fault codes are very, very handy at giving you some form of a direction to go in, and that is all it is, a direction. You've got to do your due diligence and have a look at things, but all I'm going to say, and all I say to everyone out there, is KISS. Yeah, keep it simple, stupid. These are a big thing to look at, fuses, but also if you ever get an open circuit, go straight to the component, check it's there. Yeah, could have fell foul on this one and just gone, it needs a buzzer, and not actually checked it, and then the customer doesn't have the full story. So here it is, guys. You've seen it here first. Check everything, but ultimately keep it simple, stupid. Big love, guys. See you in that next one. Love you, bye.